In this video we will factorize the quadratic expression, but in this case there is a little bit different thing. First of all, previously we have done the factorization of quadratic expression, but the coefficient of x square or a square, it was 1. But in this case you can see that the coefficient of a square is not 1. There will be something in coefficient rather than 1. So the procedure is the same, that we will multiply constant c with the coefficient of a square. What will be our answer? We will make the factors, possible factors of that answer, and then we will search similarly as we have done previously, that we will see whether if there is a minus sign with constant or plus sign with constant. If there is minus sign with constant, then we will pick those factors to whom we will subtract, and then we will get the coefficient of a, right? The same procedure will be applied here. So I have made the possible factors of 100, because 20 multiplied by 5 will give you 100. Make the possible factors starting from 1, 2 and so on. So 1 multiplied by 100, 2 multiplied by 50, and it's going on. But from these factors I will choose only those factors whose subtraction will give me coefficient of a. The coefficient of a is 15, so I will choose 20 and 5. When we will subtract them, the answer will be 15, and positive sign will be with which value this sign will give us. So positive sign will be with greater value. So the greater value here is 20, so I will write plus 20a minus 5a, right? So in this case 15a is split up. After that you will make the pair of two terms, which I have done, and then take something common. From first is 5a, I take the common, and from this I have taken 5 as common. After this, a plus 4 is common in between them, so I will take a plus 4 as common. In first place I have left 5a, and in second place I have left minus 5. But in this case you can also see that from these two terms I can further take 5 common from this expression, right? If I will take 5 common, then the expression will become 5 multiplied by a minus 1, right, in parentheses. So that 5 we will write at first place, and then in this way our algebraic expression will be factorized, right? It's not difficult, but it's a little bit tricky. How can we make the factors? But if you can understand, you can get it, then it's very interesting and very easy to solve. Similarly, there is another question which can come in GCSE exams or in metric exams. You can see that again this expression is like we have done previously. We will multiply 12 by 9. The answer is 108. I have made all the possible factors of 108, and then this plus sign will give me that I will choose those factors whose addition will give me the answer, this one, right? So I have made all the possible factors up till 3. I have seen that if I will add them, then my answer is 39. So I will not go proceed further, write all the factors. I will choose this factor, and then I split up 39 into 3 plus 36n. From first pair I have taken 3n common. From second pair I have taken 9 as common. Then further 4n plus 1 we will take as common. Again in this expression answer, you can see that from this 3n plus n, you can take 3 as common from this term. Then when you will take 3 here common, inside we have left n plus 3, and this 3 we will write first in first place, and then in this way our algebraic or quadratic expression is solved in factorization form, right? So these are the possible factors of this given expression, right? Next is the case. In this case, again, there is one thing is tricky. Sometimes they will give you questions and they will give you questions such a way that you have to rearrange them. Rearrange mean you first of all you have to check your quadratic equation whether it is in ascending or descending order. Ascending order mean first degree is square, then second degree should be x power 1, and the last is x power 0. Now in this case we have seen that first place is x square, it's okay, but in second place they should write x power 1, and in the last place they should write minus 3, right? So first of all I will arrange the given quadratic equation, quadratic expression, and then after rearranging I will do the same thing, making the factors, possible factors. Multiply 2 by 3, answer is 6, make the possible factors, and this minus 3 sign tell me that I will choose those factors whose subtraction will give me coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is 1 here, so I split 2 and 3 in the form of 3 and 2, and this minus sign tell me that greater value should have minus sign. So 2x minus 3x, after splitting make the factors, possible factors, and then again take the common factor, you will get it answer. It's so simple. Next is the case again. They have given another algebraic expression, and in this case you can see they have written n first and then n square and then n power 0. So there is no order. First of all you have to write it in order form or rearrange them. So I will write 3n square first place, then power n 1 power, then power 0, because if there is no power they have written simple 4, it means what thing is multiplied with it, n power 0, right? So n power 0 will multiply here, but n power 0, you know, power of anything is 0, this answer is equal to 1. So we are not writing this thing, but in fact this thing is going on. So arrange it, 3n square, then n power 1, then n power 0. After rearranging you will make the possible factors as we have done previously, and then you will simplify, you will get the answer. It's so simple. Rearranging the algebraic quadratic expression, and then you will make the factors. Here is another example of this, like this thing, rearrange and then factorize. They have given constant first place, then x power 1, x power square. For rearranging we will get minus 2x square first place, minus 5x, and then plus 3, making the possible factors of 6. Rearrange them. Minus 5x will split like minus 6x plus 1x, and then taking something common. When you have taken something common, you will see in first expression here the answer is minus 2x plus 1. It is not looking very beautiful. In mathematics we avoid minus sign in first place, so what we will do, I will write it my 1 minus 2x, then our answer will be like that. You can write it in such way, but I have told you in mathematics we try to avoid minus sign in first place. So what we will do, we can arrange it 1 minus 2x, there will be no difference. So this is the case when you have to rearrange the given algebraic or quadratic expression. After rearranging you will make the factors, possible factors, by using the same procedure which we have done previously. It's very easy, and these are the important questions which can come in your GCSE exams. Try to solve them, understand them, then getting marks is very easy for you.